Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where our students are on the move to spread messages of kindness and encourage others to make good choices.
All across Newport News Public Schools, students and staff wore bright orange to celebrate Unity Day in October. Orange is the color of Unity Day, sending a bright message that building community through kindness, acceptance, and inclusion helps prevent bullying. At my school, Riverside Elementary, we celebrated with our 10th annual Unity Day parade. The super talented kids in the Boomin' Bears drumline led the parade around the school and were straight fire, holding banners and positive messages. Students and staff paraded together in support of the power of kindness. Our safety patrol did an amazing job cheering on every class, showing what it truly means to be kind to everyone. Just another great example of the wonderful learning environment we're creating at Riverside.
Newport News' hometown university continued their tradition of visiting nearby schools to strengthen community. For the fourth time in 2 years, the Christopher Newport University and Newport News Community Walk visited another Newport News public school. This time, the captains walked to their closest neighboring high school, the Warwick Raiders. From the Ferguson Center for the Arts to Copeland Lane, CNU President William Kelly brought 200 friends along for the stroll, including CNU students and staff, elected officials, law enforcement, civic leaders, and community partners. The entourage was greeted by Warwick's NJROTC cadets, band, cheerleaders, student athletes, and representatives of Warwick's dual magnet programs, along with NNPS Superintendent Dr. Michelle Mitchell and school board members. It was a nice return visit for President Kelly and his wife, Angie, who spent time this summer volunteering at Warwick alongside CNU's freshman class. Warwick Principal Tiffany Thompson welcomed everyone, while she and President Kelly exchanged gifts representing their educational homes. The entire experience highlighted the strong partnership between Newport News Public Schools and CNU, including scholars who bridged their educational journeys through the Community Captains Program. With Raiders and Captains coming together, our community celebrated continued academic success for all students.
At Noah Meadows Elementary School, we rap, we dance, and we cheer, but we don't do drugs. Every October, Noah hosts an epic Red Ribbon Week celebration as we pledge to live healthy lives with no drugs and no bullying. The party kicked off with Denby High School Soul Regiment blasting some crazy tunes. Then the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade classes presented their customized Red Ribbon raps in front of the entire school. For weeks, our awesome music teacher, Miss Cox, inspired all 9 classes to write, choreograph, and perform their own rap song. It taught us teamwork, active listening, and how to respectfully share ideas. I think she also wanted us to sharpen our literacy skills, though, through rhythm, rhyme, and word choice. We really learned how music and creativity can be powerful tools to inspire others to make positive choices. The judges for the rap contest were from Newport News Fire Department and Newport News Public Schools. In fact, 2 of the judges used to teach at Knollwood, and I heard that one of them started Knollwood's Red Ribbon Rap tradition 25 years ago. The day wrapped up with a festive parade led by Denby's marching band, showing everyone how great we can be by staying drug-free.
All NNPS high school students are invited to attend the Mega On-Site College and Career Night at Minchville High School. This massive event offers college and career exploration, on-site acceptance, and financial aid support. Families will have a wealth of resources to explore as students prepare for life after high school. If you have questions, contact your school counselor. A rite of passage for high school students is earning a driver's license and the opportunity to drive. Newport News Public Schools make sure that students are prepared for this important responsibility by providing excellent classroom instruction and behind-the-wheel training that focuses on safe driving attitudes, skill development, alcohol education, and appropriate responses to hazards. Students can sign up for Behind the Wheel sessions that take place throughout the school year and during the summer months. But keep in mind that before attending Behind the Wheel, students must have an orange card showing completion of classroom instruction, have possession of a learner's permit for at least 2 months, and have 25 hours completed on their driving log. To find out more information and to register for upcoming Behind the Wheel sessions, visit the driver education website or call. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.